everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with a short video. We are on the way to beautiful Harrison Hot Spring, BC, Canada. Harrison Hot Spring in the winter is a magical experience, a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Join us as we take you on a delicious journey through our world of handcrafted chocolates and confections. Please watch my full video. Welcome to Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory at Harrison Hot Springs. Beside the beach, this store is the most famous store. I will give the address in the description box. Finally, we're here. Let's go inside. We are very excited. Here, all chocolate and confections are handmade and using the highest quality of ingredients. Each pieces of candy are made with love and passion. Here, chocolate is made fresh daily.
Do you like peanut butter? Like peanut butter? I'd recommend one of those for sure to start with. Okay.
This place is amazing, nice, clean, and organized store. Excellent customer service. The ladies working here were very friendly and helpful. If you visit Harrison Hot Springs, don't miss this store. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment box. It's cold and rainy outside. We visited other stores and waiting for sunset. We were walking around the park looking at the Christmas lights. It looked very beautiful beside the lake and we really enjoyed it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. See you in my next video. Bye!